Hi, my name is Katrina Nelson. I'm part of Cohort 11, and this is my RTR story. I first joined RTR my senior year, or going into my senior year of college, and I remember them coming in and telling me all about what RTR had to offer, and I just decided to take the chance knowing that I wanted to work in a Title I school. So I decided to apply, and since the beginning of my RTR journey, it's truly been transformative. I truly feel like I've grown as a teacher, and I don't know what I would do without my experience as being a resident teacher. It truly means, to me, RTR means family, and having that generational support through RTR has been very helpful. Just knowing that I feel completely surrounded by support and love all throughout the RTR process has been amazing, and I'm very grateful for everything that RTR has brought me. RTR has been really transformative in that I was able to have a full year of teaching underneath or side by side with my CRC or clinical resident coach. I had that full year. I viewed it as a full year to make mistakes, to be able to allow myself the opportunity to grow, and know that I was in a safe space that first year with Sydney Lilly. Very thankful to have her by my side and really trying to coach me and help me grow into the educator that I wanted to be. I've always known I wanted to be a teacher since I was little, but I never really saw it come into fruition until I started my first year with Sydney, and seeing the joy that I had for being an educator come to life and having her support me in that journey has been amazing. So it's really been able to help me in that first year of being able to make mistakes and grow from where I was.